I mean, oh man. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is bonfire night and we're taking the kids to see a firework display, and the kids are all wrapped up nice and warm. You can see Ethan's fallen asleep. He's had a long day today. He's fallen asleep. Okay then, say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Alright, so the traffic's quite bad. We're on the way there. It was Halloween a few days ago, so here's a little clip of Halloween. Check this out. This is Halloween 2016. There's Ethan. Hey, Batman. What do you say? Say trick or treat. Yeah. Okay then. There's Kaden with me. Hello, I can't see you. Come here. Trick or treat. Yeah. Did you get? What did you get before? When you knocked on the door before, what did you say? Come on then.
Weapon is mine.
There's Ethan. You're trick or treating, Ethan. Be careful of the floor. Mummy. See? There's Mummy Kaden. There's Mummy. This is sweets. That's what Mummy say. Let's see all your sweets. Oh, too many sweets. Let's see. Oh, you're not this one yet. Not this one. Oh.
Not that one. Number one.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Was it true? Just the smell.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Come on, guys.
It's not sweet there. It's not sweet.
No?
Remember what to say.
Thank you. Okay.
Even be careful. You don't.
You got too many sweets. Okay. Come on, guys. All right. So, take the mask off. Too hot or sweaty. And the boys have got loads of sweets. So now we're on the way home. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Did you get lots of sweets? Show me your sweets. Wow. What even? Oh, Ethan sweets here. Wow. Too many sweets. Take a picture. Okay. phone torch. You can just about make out me. There's the kids. And yep, we're walking in towards the bonfire now and the firework. So I think I'm the only guy with a bright massive flashlight on me.
It's okay. We'll do it. Okay. 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 Was that for the sun leaves? Not in the leaves. Too many leaves. There's no wind. There's no fall. Because there's good leaves in the floor. Please put on. Please put on. Oh man! Yeah, that's why you wear wellies.
You got Wellington anywhere. These software.
Oh no! Have you got wellies? Yeah. Has Louis got wellies? Oh, then I got wellies. Oh no! You see? Oh look, my shoes are absolutely drenched in the mud. I'm walking in.
All the calculations, please.
Hello guys.
All the calculations.
So muddy, you can feel it. Be careful, it gets really muddy, okay? Oh, yucky! Oh, it's all muddy. Yep. So you can see. Oh no, Mummy and the twins are wearing Wellingtons, and I'm wearing Nike trainers, which is not a good idea. Missy, we can't see a thing. Actually, let me just put the light on here. Got no difference.
Need to find space.
Just anywhere here. There's Mummy, kids. Right, the kids are wellies. Well wrapped up. Nice. Bonfire. What do you think of the bonfire? Where is it? To the fire. The bonfire. It's fire. Yeah. Sure. Are you looking forward to the fireworks? Yeah. Looking forward to the fireworks? You're looking for fireworks? Yeah. Right. Are you tired? You fell asleep. You fell asleep before. You know you fell asleep before in the car. You fell asleep. Yeah. You go see the fireworks, yeah? Yeah. Do you like the bonfire, Ethan? Do you like the bonfire, Kaden? Yeah. You can see it's pretty crazy here. It's as usual every year. It's jam packed. There's a massive bonfire here, as you can see there. We've got little guy folks at the top. Just waiting for the main attraction of the fireworks now. So just hanging around and I'm just waiting for the fireworks. Boys are getting a bit restless. The boys are entertained with the little flashing snowflakes, which they get every time they come here. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Is it both at the back? Wait. Do you like your snowflakes? Do you like snowflakes? Hey, where's mommy doing? So your mommy. What's your mommy? There's a wave. Wave. See. Thumbs up. Yeah. All this like on Ball Hill.
Okay guys, it's nearly that time. Are you ready for some fireworks? Yeah, me too. It's been a cold night. We've got Sarah Woods down here. I've never seen anybody excited as she is. She's hovering over the button. There's a big red button with a key down here. She's from Procure Plus, one of our sponsors, and she's going to set the sky alight tonight. But before we do that, we need a bit of a countdown going, but we need some noise. Okay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Park's bonfire and fireworks display.
These days are all, I'm free. These days are all.